Hey guys, welcome back to another technical video. In this one, I'll be walking you through how you can add your main products, upsells, and order bumps inside of Groovesell and later on connect it with your funnel. So without much ado, let me jump into my computer and I'll show you how you can do that. So here we are inside of the Groovefunnels dashboard. The first thing we need to do is head on to Groovesell. Now, let me just quickly show you what funnel we'll be working on today. It's the funnel that I built for designers, and here's the funnel link. So let's just see how the funnel looks like. Okay, so this is the funnel. There's a that's a content creation offer that they are offering, and within this they're offering content graphics, a strategic content calendar, captions along with the caption template, hashtag sets, Instagram profile brief, just a bit of audit on how they can improve conversions to Instagram profile, and they're delivering all of this in just one day. And the price for the 1 week trial, which is the main product, is $297. Okay, as soon as they click on this button, they will be headed on to the checkout page where they can place the order. As you can see, here's the checkout link. This is how it's going to look after we have set everything up. And there's one order bump over here. So this is called the order bump. And we'll also add this order bump real quick. Okay, so when they purchase this, they will be headed on to the next page, which is the upsell page. Okay, and they're offering Instagram profile branding. The profile branding is basically like everything included: logo, mockup, brand fonts, brand colors, post pattern, and complete branding including Instagram bio and name, all of that cool stuff. And the upsell price is $497. Okay, so there are three products that we'll be adding today. That's the main product, an order bump, which is the source files, and the upsell, which is the Instagram profile branding. Now this is a document that I made just to make things easier, and I'll show you how this makes everything so much easier. But you can set up the product name over here, just write in the short description and the price point name and all of that stuff. Okay, so let us just create a new section to add the products in. Now when we head on to the product funnel section, or you can also click the three dots over here. So when you click on this, it will take you to a dashboard something like this, and there you will be having an option to create a new product funnel. So what is a product funnel? Product funnel is basically a type of a folder that you can keep to store all the products within one funnel. So let's say your company is offering 3 to 4 different services, and you want to have multiple products within each funnel. So that's what we are going to do over here. So each funnel will be having a separate product funnel, right? So in this case, we are going to name it content machine as the main product name, and the description as creating content, giving done for you Instagram content creation, done for you Instagram content automation for a whole week. Now over here you can select the category that you want to be in. So since we are business, so we'll be keeping the business. And over here you can select which email that you want to use to send the transactional emails, like the payment is successful or the onboarding email and all of that. You can select the email over here, and over here you can select the domain. Okay, so how to set this domain I already made a video a while ago where you can see how you can set up a particular domain, and I'll highly recommend you to create a particular domain like products.designers.com or sales.designers.com, so because this will be a completely separate page that people will be able to see. So I'll say just brand that as well. Okay, so if you want to know how you can do that, just click on the link somewhere over here. It will be popping up so you can see it over there. Okay, so show it in the marketplace is basically similar to affiliate marketplace, like you see ClickBank and all of that stuff, where this will be listed and people will be able to see your product from there. But for now we just do not want to do this, so we'll just click on no. Okay, it's asking for an internal name. We'll just keep this internal name, content machine. Create new product funnel, and then as you can see the front end product is already created. We'll click on edit product, and over here it will ask for the product name. As you can see, product name, product internal name, and description. So we have already got that over here, so we'll just copy and paste it. product name. Internal name, you can just leave internal name, it's not necessary. And then you can just copy the description and paste it over here. Now you can also add a product image. This is very important because you want a particular image to represent your content or your product, I'm sorry. Here is the mockup, so we'll just select that. We'll click on save and next. So now it will be asking for the price point name. Price point basically means if you have multiple price points, so let's say you're offering a recurring service, right? So you can also offer monthly recurring payments to your clients, and at the same time you can offer them annual payments as well. So in that way they will be able to save some money as well. So that's what you can do over here. Since this is a week's trial, so we'll just keep 1 week trial, and we keep this over here. Let's just leave the internal name, and we can just for 1 week done for you Instagram content automation. Okay, and this is a one-time payment. You can also set up recurring payments, so just as I mentioned right now, if you want to have monthly payments or annual payments, you can do it over here. Installments, then pay your own price. So let's say you are taking in donations, so you can just click on this and people can enter the amount they want to donate. Okay, so that's an amazing thing. The price of this trial is $297, so we'll just keep the price $297 and click on save and next. Over here we select the payment gateway, head on to credit card, add credit card, we just select this one. So if you want to know how you can add the payment gateway, you can just click on this video over here. I recently made this one, so that is the latest version you can see, and you can add this Stripe account. So what this 100 means is that, let's say you have a partner with you who you want to do 50-50, so you can add their Stripe as well, and you can just divide the revenue 50-50. So this way if somebody purchases the product, automatically 50% will be going up to your Stripe account and 50% will be going to their Stripe account. So this is another cool stuff. And so we just keep 100 since there is only one person. So we click on save and next. Okay, over here it will be asking for the sales page, thank you page, and the refund period and all of that. So we'll just copy the sales page. I already got the URLs in one place, so we'll just copy and paste it. Then thank you page. It's not necessary to add the upsell page yet, but we will add that. I'll show you how you can add that. So it's the thank you page, done. The refund period, if you have a refund period, you can add that over here as well. And another thing is the support info. So if you want to add a particular email address for people to reach out to you in case they have any issues, you can do that over here. Just click on yes, add my support info, and go to email and write support@designers.com. If you do not want to have this, no, don't add support info. Then click on save and next. Now you can customize how it will be looking on when somebody goes ahead and selects or just decides to purchase your product. So as you can see, it is customized over here as per the branding of this funnel, right, which is yellow. So here's how we can set that up. Instead of going with blue, gray, we can just go with a custom one. We can select the colors we want to use. Since this is the color for designers, we'll be using that. We'll just close this. Secondary color is black, so we'll just keep black. And then product image is already added. Now customization over here, you can select the font. So let's say the brand font for designers is Montserrat, so we'll use Montserrat. Okay, now over here you can see the button text, and for the complete purchase, I will highly suggest that you have a personalized message. So let's say for this particular example, we will be using start the trial now. So it is more customized and not robotic, you know. So over here you can see the form fields that you want to collect the information. Yes, you want to add the addresses, city and postal code, phone number and company, just because you want to have all this information in the front end product. You want to collect all the information up front. Then express checkout. There are three options you can have in the express checkout. Basically means that if you are having an upsell, so let's say you are offering one click upsell, you do not want people to type in the credit card information again, so then you can go ahead and select either of these, which allows you to have one click upsells. The second one allows you to have one click upsells, but it will ask for a confirmation before placing the order. So let's say if they click on a button, a pop-up will show up and they will be able to confirm if they want to take that order or not. But if you click on yes, activate straight through payments, it will automatically deduct the amount from the credit card information they put in the last purchase, right? So once the front end product is done, they purchase that. If they click on this button, it will automatically cut the amount. So right now, since this is a front end product, we do not want that, so we'll have full checkout experience. Then cart abandonment, legal, no, we do not want to have that. If you have a legal agreement that you want to place, so you can just paste everything over here. And then language remains the same. When it comes to quantity, let's say you have an e-commerce brand and you want people to purchase, let's say you're into wholesale market and you want people to purchase at least 10 of the products that you're offering. So then at that point you can set up a minimum value over here as 10. So that's the minimum they need to purchase, and the maximum as much as you want, so they can place 100. So this is something you can do with e-commerce, but since this is a service, we do not want that. So password is for let's say you're offering a course and you want people to sign in inside of your membership area, then they can then you can ask them for username and password, and you can pass it on to their mail, so they can log into their membership site and access your course. But right now it's a service, we do not want that, so we'll just click on save and next. Order bumps, we'll skip this, we'll come to this later, but we'll just skip bumps. Then we'll head on to funnel. Over here we'll be able to set up the upsell. So as you can see, as soon as the purchase is done, where do you want to direct them? So we want them to go to an upsell page, which is this. Just copy it and paste it over here. Then we click on save and next. In fulfillment, again, if you are offering a course and you want them to go on to a membership site, so you can add a membership site over here. You can form a membership site in the Groove members app, and you can get them together over here. So right now we do not have that, so we'll just leave it. Same you can do with any kind of integrations that you want to add or anything of that sort. Let's say you're using Zapier to do the email marketing, so you can connect that over here. Webhook files, we do not want to have all of that, we'll just skip it. Now you can select affiliate program over here. If you want to add affiliates, you can do it over here and set each affiliate's commission over here. So let's say for the front tier or tier 1 affiliates, you will be able to set up a percentage, and let's say you're giving your first year affiliates 40% commission, and for the second one or tier 2 affiliates, you are giving them 20%. You can set everything over here. It's very customizable, so you, in case you are doing an affiliate program, you can do all the customization over here. I will make a separate video on that because this is a whole lengthy process. I'll show you how you can do that later. So we'll just click on no affiliate program and we'll click on save and next. Over here, proof widgets, again a separate topic. I'll show you how you can customize a proof widget. It's basically a small pop-up that shows up in each page, bottom left. Mostly it's bottom left because that basically shows how many people have purchased. If someone purchased from Australia your product, then they can then it will be showing up that this person purchased about 10 minutes ago or 12 minutes ago. So that's proof widgets. So I'll show you how you can customize that in another video. Okay, so we'll just click on save and next. We'll click on save and exit. Okay, so now we have the front end product. We'll have the same procedure for the upsells and order bumps. So as you can see, we can have the upsell or downsell selected over here. So let's say we'll go with the upsell. So the upsell product is Instagram profile branding. So we will just have the product name selected. We'll paste it over here. We'll have the description. Go ahead and paste it. Upsell product is already selected, and the upsell mockup that we'll be using. This is the mockup, so we just use that. Click on save and next. Again, price point name is Instagram branding bundle. Okay, price point description, one time payment and will do your complete branding within 7 days. The price for this is $497. Save and next. Credit card, add new. Okay, same process. This the sales page over here will be the upsell page, so we'll just copy that and paste it over here. Thank you page remains the same. Welcome on board. Refund period, we do not have any refund period, so we'll just click on no support info. So we just type the thank you page, we'll click on save and next. Okay, now again we need to customize everything over here. So just know one thing, for the upsell we do not need to have like full customization, because it will be one click upsell, so they wouldn't even seeing this preview that is coming up over here. So let's just quickly walk through this one. Montserrat, I'm just doing it for the sake of branding. Let's let this remain the same. We do not want all of this information, because again it is one click upsell. So here's where you will be selecting the one click straight through payments, so you can activate it from here. Cart abandonment and all of this stuff we do not need to add, so we'll just click on save and next. And then over here there's no order bump, again one click upsell, so we'll click on save and next. Thank you page, yeah, now they need to go to the thank you page again. In case you have another upsell, then you can just go ahead and select the upsell page and type in the second upsells URL over here. But for this particular example there's no another upsell, so we'll just head on to the thank you page. So again, no fulfillment required, no affiliate, and no proof widgets. Click on finish. Click on save and exit. Now I'll be creating an order bump, so let's go and create an order bump. Let's just copy the name. The name of the product is source files. The description is this one. The mockup, we'll be using this one. It's an order bump, so click on save and next. Then again, price point, the same procedure. I'll show you what this listing description means in a while. Okay, source files, and then this doesn't really matter, because this will be having a separate look. Rather than having the complete checkout, this will look something like this, so we do not need to customize and do all of that stuff, but just for the sake of branding we'll be doing that. So let's head on to the sales page. Which one is the sales page? So for the order bump, the sales page is the checkout page, so we'll just have the checkout page's link. Then the thank you page, so we'll just have the thank you page over here. Click on this. Refund period, no, we do not want any refund period. And support info, no. Again, let's just branding, this will be black. Product image is done. Montserrat, black. Again, button text not required. Form fields not required. Express checkout not required. And then we click on save and next. Order bumps, no, we do not want to add any order bumps over here. I'll show you how you can do that later. So just click on no fulfillment required, no affiliates, and no proof widgets. So I'll just skip all of that. We'll click on save and exit. Now all of the three products are up, but there's one thing that we need to do is we need to go back to the front end products. Front end product, we will be heading to the bumps section to activate the order bump. Okay, we need to click on activate the order bump. So it's pre-sell bump. Pre-sell bump means that before they purchase, this bump will be showing up. So over here we'll be having the heading that we just wrote over here. So let's say grab the source file. Make sure this is this must have a hook or something like that, because it will be showing up like this. So this is how it's going to be. The source file here will be the product name that you give, the price point, and the description that you have for the order bump. So I just wrote the description. Let's say you need to highlight a point, you can even do that. You can just highlight like doing italics and all of that. You can customize it as you want. So I'll just highlight that, keep it bold. We can select the product over here. So the source file, some price point, source file. Then you can select three different styles that you want uh, for your order bump. The one that I like is style number 2, so we'll just go with style 2. We need to display the thumbnail, which is the product image, and a bouncing arrow so that it's more catchy. Then we click on save. We'll head on to exit. Now everything is set up. Okay, so now that all the three products have been added, there's one thing you need to do, is that make this funnel live. So when you head on to product funnels, then click on the section that you just added, 3 dots over here, click on make live. Over here you will be adding a subdomain. This basically means that you can name the funnel or the folder within the domain that you have. So let's say you have a company domain, company.com. So now if you are adding a product, a particular funnel, then you can even name that subdomain. So let's say contentmachine.designers.com. You can even do that. So for this sake we'll be using content machine, and we'll be making the funnel live. So once we have done that, we'll go to the individual products and click on this checkout links or the shopping icon over here, and we'll create individual product links from here. We'll name this. The first one is content machine 1 week trial, done for you content automation. Click on save and next. Then steps, it's one step checkout. Multi-steps checkout basically means like it will be a small section where people can first write in the name and email address, then head on to the next section, type in the product details, the address details and all of that stuff, then go on to the checkout where they can just do the payment, billing and payment separately. So we do not want to have that. We just want to have one step checkout. So we'll just click on save and next, and then enable all price points. That's right. Look and feel, just make sure over here that everything is within your branding. So yeah, it is. Customization, what always happens is that they change the font again. So we'll be changing the font back to the brand font that we have, and also make sure that it's customized. Start the trial now. Click on save and next. Yes, we want all the form fields. Password, no, we do not want the password. If you have any Facebook pixels that you need to track this whole system or the product, then you can do it over here. Click on save and next. Over here you will be having the link. We do not want to copy this link because this is the main product, but we'll head on to the source file. Let's just create a checkout link for the source file as well, or the order bump. So we click on here, name it source files, click on save and next. Again, one step checkout, so we'll just leave it like that. Price point, yes, all price points. Look and feel, again, it's the same stuff. Customization, they change the font, so we just need to make sure it's the same. Button text, we'll just leave it as it is. Yes, we do not need all of this. Again, save and next, save and next. We got the link. Again, we do not want to grab this link, so we'll just leave it. We'll head on to the upsell, do the same thing with the upsell, but there's one catch. We'll head on create checkout link, name it Instagram branding bundle. It's one step checkout. Price points, look and feel, again, just make sure it's customized. black, and button text, the remaining stuff remains the same. Okay, now that we have got the link for the upsell, we'll just need to copy this and drop it over here. So once we have got this particular link, we'll be closing this and we'll head on to the funnel section and add all of these products over there. Okay, so now we'll be adding all of the products that we just made inside of the funnel that we had built. Now we'll head on to Groove pages over here. We'll select the funnel that we'll select the site that we'll be editing. We'll head on to the funnels section where we need to add the products. So over here we head on to the funnels. This is the funnel. So within the sales page, as you can see, there's no call to action, there's no product listing, so we'll just skip that and head on to the order now page where the product listing has to be made. And over here, this is the section where this whole thing will be popping up. So we'll head on to the element section. We'll take this checkout embed code within the e-commerce section and drop it over here. It will look something like this. Let's just delete the old one. So we'll keep it over here. Now we'll head on to configure, use Groovesell checkout. We'll select the product funnel. This is the product funnel we just made. Then the item, which is the front end product. Then the link. Okay, this wouldn't have shown up if we hadn't created the checkout link. So this is why we had the checkout link section that we just did. And we'll just select that. We'll click on update. It should be popping up right now. Yep, here you go. So as you can see, the order bump is also present over here. So the front end product and the order bump has been added. Now we'll head on to the upsell page. Head on to the upsell page. And over here, as you can see, within this button, we will be adding the URL that we just had. We just copied the checkout link. We'll just copy this one and paste it over here. So we'll select the button, head on to configure, select link to URL and paste the URL. We'll click on update. Same we would do with the other call to action button. Paste it and update it. So here you go. Now we have added all the products on the main product, the order bump and the upsell inside of the funnel that we just built. So if you want to test this entire stuff, I'll make another video where I'll be showing how you can test this whole funnel to see everything is working or not. And that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then make sure you smash that like button and also hit subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be making a series of videos on how you can create beautiful funnels using Groovefunnels. And I'll be making more strategies for different funnel, so you can get some idea on how to make a funnel in particular niche. And that will be all for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and keep creating for a change.